Hello, my name is Wilhelmina Ranke. I'm an Electronic Services Librarian at Sarita Kennedy Law Library in St. Mary's University School of Law in San Antonio, Texas. Today I'm going to cover circuit splits in Bloomberg Law. So first off, a circuit split is when two federal courts or two federal circuits decide differently on the same issue. That's a great paper topic. That's something that's controversial, and it could go to the Supreme Court so that there's a definitive direction for that issue to go in all the federal circuits. Now, United States Law Week is a publication where the first issue of each month for that publication lists the circuit splits. We'll go through how to find that in Bloomberg Law and get just a nice list of those so that you can review them and see if any are interesting for a paper topic. We'll start at the Law Library's website. I'm going to click over through my electronic resources to my eJournal Locator, and I'll look for United States Law Week. So there I have my links to that in BNA and in Bloomberg Law. BNA you can get access to from on campus, and if you're off campus it'll give you an off-campus login for St. Mary's University. Bloomberg Law, if you have a Bloomberg Law account and you're logged in, that'll go right to that resource in Bloomberg Law. We'll go in through BNA. Now I'm on the current issue right here from March 4th, 2014. Coincidentally, this is the first issue, so it will have circuit splits, but we'll get to all of those for the entire past year. So I clicked on, in the top corner here, News Archive. When I click on News Archive, I get a list of all of the issues for the entire year, and I'm just going to look at the first issue of each month. So for March 4th, you can see there's my circuit splits. I can pull that up and see a nice summarized listing of circuit splits, what the issue is, and then get just a paragraph about what the issue is for each. I'll go back and pull that for February. I'm going to go to my first issue of the month. And there's my circuit splits for February. And if you're looking for a paper topic and maybe want to do some creative brainstorming, you can go through and maybe just read these circuit splits for the last 6 months, last year, and that'll give you a nice summary of what all the controversial issues in law are. That's it for finding circuit splits in Bloomberg Law. They're a great paper topic, and I hope that helps you to find a good paper topic for your upper level writing requirement.